I wear integration as a badge of honor. I've been in that space for such a long time, and I think APIs are there to complement the usage of a well-defined integration strategy. So, like any organization, we had a well-defined set of an ESB platform of multiple integration domains. We had a long-standing successful partnership with Axway on the managed file transfer piece. And what we've seen is that the API layer has really developed well and made a successful transition on top of that integration layer. What that means for us, specifically in the healthcare domain, is we have hundreds of different legacy healthcare applications, and not most of them are on the verge of a modern technical revolution, which means that there has to be a well integrated layer that can talk to those legacy systems, and then ultimately to make sure that the data reaches the consumers in the format at the time that they want. You need to abstract all that complexity through an API layer. So I really see the API on top of the integration layer really meshing well enough, along with the nuances that are coming up, whether it's streaming technology, whether it's machine learning AI that needs to get built on top of that. So I do see both of these layers really kind of complementing each other, and not going away anytime in the near future. The key challenge over there is making sure that only the authorized folks are having access to the data. It's really important in all organizations, but in healthcare, it's paramount. It's the top of the critical requirement. Overall, API management layer can help provide this as a value add, where we say to the developers, you don't need to be concerned about the security aspects. We have a template, we have a set of policies already defined for you, which makes them focus on their piece and gets our work easier as well, not just our work. So you talked about a team, what we call that as a center of enablement. That's the name that we've given to our team. And the essence for that team is to make sure that the overarching policies, whether it's security, whether it's thresholds, um, whether it's rate limiting, any kind of data reduction policies that have to be defined, we've defined that and we've set kind of design standards in terms of where do they apply in which scenario, which makes it really easy for anyone trying to come in and develop an APIs. It's like an a la carte menu for them. This is my scenario. This is what fits in terms of policies. I'm able to provide the consumers, the patient, the kind of data that they're looking for. The security team is happy with me. The management is not concerned about me providing data which is not supposed to be sent out. So that kind of data democratization really helps the overall organization kind of achieve what we're trying to